A significant new chapter has begun in Russia's efforts to develop a next-generation combat aircraft, as reports indicate that construction has officially started on a redesigned prototype of the Su-75 Checkmate, the country's ambitious single-engine fifth-generation fighter jet. The development marks one of the most important milestones for a program that has generated global attention since its dramatic unveiling several years ago. After facing delays, redesign efforts, economic challenges, and intense international scrutiny, the Checkmate project is now moving from the concept and design phase into physical construction, signaling Russia's determination to advance its military aviation capabilities despite numerous obstacles. The beginning of prototype construction represents more than just the assembly of a new aircraft. It symbolizes Russia's broader ambition to maintain relevance in the increasingly competitive field of fifth-generation fighter technology, where only a handful of nations have successfully developed stealth combat aircraft capable of operating in highly contested environments. As military powers around the world invest heavily in advanced aviation technologies, artificial intelligence integration, stealth shaping, sensor fusion, and next-generation weapon systems, the Su-75 Checkmate has become one of Russia's most closely watched aerospace projects. When the Checkmate was first introduced to the public, it immediately attracted attention because it promised something different from existing fifth-generation fighters. Unlike Russia's twin-engine Su-57 Felon, the Su-75 was envisioned as a more affordable single-engine stealth fighter aimed not only at domestic military use but also at the export market. The concept was designed to appeal to nations seeking advanced stealth capabilities without the enormous costs associated with Western fifth-generation aircraft such as the F-35 Lightning II. The aircraft's debut generated excitement among defense analysts because it appeared to offer a unique combination of stealth technology, advanced avionics, and relatively low operating costs. Russian officials presented the fighter as a revolutionary platform capable of competing with leading Western designs while remaining accessible to countries that could not afford more expensive alternatives. The Checkmate name itself was carefully chosen to suggest a strategic move capable of changing the balance of power in the international fighter aircraft market. However, transforming ambitious concepts into operational military aircraft is an extraordinarily difficult process. The years following the aircraft's unveiling revealed numerous challenges facing the program. International sanctions, economic pressures, technological hurdles, supply chain disruptions, and shifting defense priorities created uncertainty regarding the project's future. Some analysts questioned whether the aircraft would ever progress beyond the concept stage. Despite these concerns, Russian aerospace engineers continued refining the design. The newly announced construction phase indicates that extensive work has been completed behind the scenes. According to reports, the prototype currently under construction incorporates significant design modifications compared with the original version unveiled to the public. These changes reflect lessons learned during engineering studies, aerodynamic testing, and evolving military requirements. One of the most important aspects of the redesign involves optimization for improved stealth characteristics. Modern air warfare increasingly depends on the ability to avoid detection by sophisticated radar systems. Fifth-generation fighters rely heavily on carefully shaped airframes, advanced materials, and internal weapons carriage to minimize radar signatures. Engineers working on the Checkmate appear to have refined multiple elements of the aircraft's external geometry to enhance survivability in modern combat environments. Stealth technology remains one of the defining characteristics separating fifth-generation fighters from earlier generations. Aircraft designed with stealth principles can operate closer to enemy defenses, gather intelligence more effectively, and engage targets before being detected. The importance of these capabilities has been demonstrated repeatedly in modern military planning, making stealth optimization a critical objective for any advanced fighter program. The redesigned Checkmate is also expected to feature improvements in avionics and mission systems. Modern fighter aircraft increasingly function as flying data processing centers rather than simply weapons platforms. Pilots must manage enormous amounts of information generated by radar systems, infrared sensors, electronic warfare equipment, communications networks, and battlefield intelligence sources. Effective sensor fusion allows pilots to receive a clear and comprehensive picture of the operational environment while reducing workload during combat missions. Russian aerospace designers have emphasized the importance of integrating advanced sensor systems into the Checkmate platform. If successful, the aircraft could provide pilots with enhanced situational awareness, enabling faster decision-making and improved combat effectiveness. Such capabilities have become essential in modern air warfare, where information superiority often determines the outcome of engagements before missiles are even launched. Another major focus of the redesigned prototype reportedly involves improving maintainability and reducing operational costs. Historically, many advanced combat aircraft have faced criticism for high maintenance requirements and expensive operating expenses. The Checkmate was conceived partly as a response to these concerns, aiming to deliver fifth-generation capabilities at a lower overall cost than competing systems. Achieving this goal would significantly enhance the aircraft's attractiveness in international markets. Numerous countries seek modern fighter aircraft capable of defending national airspace and participating in advanced military operations, yet budget limitations often restrict procurement options. A lower-cost stealth fighter could fill an important niche within the global defense market, potentially attracting customers across Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and Latin America. The export potential of the Checkmate has always been central to its business case. Unlike some military programs developed exclusively for domestic use, the Su-75 was designed from the outset with international customers in mind.